In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your tagline in League of Legends. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to keep in mind, so the change sticks without any confusion. Start by opening a web browser and heading to the official Riot sign-in page. Log into your Riot account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look for your account settings. This is where Riot keeps all of your profile details in one place, and it's the safest way to make changes that apply across League of Legends and other Riot games. Inside Account Settings, find the section labeled Riot ID. Here, you'll see your in-game name along with your tagline. Your Riot ID is made up of two parts, your game name and the tagline that follows it. The tagline is the short identifier that appears after a hashtag. It helps distinguish you from other players who might share the same game name. Click directly on the tagline field to edit it. Type the new tagline you want. Keep it simple and memorable, and make sure it follows Riot's guidelines. If the combination you choose isn't available or doesn't meet the format requirements, the page will usually let you know so you can try a different option. Take a moment to double-check spelling and capitalization so it appears exactly how you want others to see it. When you're happy with your choice, click Save Changes. This is the important part. Your new tagline won't apply until you save. After saving, your updated Riot ID will be set, and your friends will see the new tagline attached to your name in lobbies, friends lists, and when sending friend requests. Sometimes it may take a little time to fully refresh across services, so don't worry if it doesn't show up everywhere immediately. A quick but crucial reminder, Riot allows changes to your Riot ID on a cooldown, which means you can only update it every 90 days. That includes your tagline. Because of that, pick something you'll be happy with for a while. It's a good idea to avoid anything you might want to change again next week. And that's it. Go to the official Riot sign-in page in your browser, open your account settings, head to Riot ID, click the tagline, type the new one you want, and save your changes. Simple, quick, and you're done. If this helped, keep exploring your settings to personalize your profile even more and enjoy your next game with a fresh identity.